Dear best friend, thank you for dealing with all my tantrums, all my mood swings, me being so sensitive and short tempered sometimes. No one can handle me the way you do. Of course, my best friend Aparna. So, Aparna usually never writes, but कुछ तो असर होगा ना बेस्ट फ्रेंड का. तो she has written me a very cute poem. Let's hear it. To you. The day I met you, I still remember that rickshaw ride when we met for the very first time. Never thought this relationship would mean so much, as we are so different, seems from a different world. The way you love me means a lot to me, tough to express as you know me. I will always be there for you. You can trust me on this as I won't lie to you. Always be the way you are, as this made our relationship come so far. I know I'm important for you. Please know whether I say or not, I feel the same for you. I hope soon the situation gets better so that we can enjoy the occasion later. Once again, would like to take this opportunity to tell you that I love you and will always do. Okay, guys, so I think you have already figured it out that we are more than friends and less than lovers. तो बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती है हमारी एंड हम लोग कुछ 6 सालों से साथ में हैं एंड हम लोग एक दूसरे के लिए इसी तरीके से अपनी फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस करते हैं एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट अपर्णा यूजुअली नेवर राइट्स. वो कभी कुछ लिखती नहीं है ऐसा. शी इज़ नॉट इन टू पोइट्री बट शी वॉज एबल टू राइट इट फॉर मी. और मैंने भी कुछ लिखा था उसके लिए. इट्स अगैन इन इंग्लिश, सो लेट मी रीड इट आउट फॉर यू. एंड शी रोट, never talk to me again 100 times, but whenever I needed someone the most, she's right behind. Never I had to ask for help, but she has always heard my yelp, been there without asking and made sure that my heart is dancing. Love her the most because even if she is so far, she makes sure that I'm in her radar. She has seen my ups and downs. She loved me, either I'm a doll or a clown. She taught me to chin a princess and carry your crown. She always helped me and never let me down. So that's how it is. That's how our friendship is. We are sisters from different mothers. And if you liked my poem, please like, share, and subscribe.